Welcome to OBDsync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going through how to program a replacement sensing and diagnostic module in a Holden VF Commodore. It's also known as the SDM module or Airbag Module. So I'm going to go over to the SDM tile, click on that to load in the available options. If you haven't licensed this module already, the licensing screen will display now. Once we're loaded in, we'll see along the top the available options that we have for programming or performing learn actions. So in this case, we have learn functions. So we're going to click up along there, and we'll see we then have our VIN security link. So we're going to go and click on go. This is then going to give us a pop-up indicating it will take approximately 11 minutes. So you need to make sure you get a battery maintainer fitted. You must have the ignition on, and you also need to make sure that your lights and radio turned off. Once you've done all of that, go ahead and click OK, and it's then going to begin the learn procedure. We'll take a moment just for it to get itself set up. Once it's done, it will then show that we have an 11-minute countdown, as we see here, so 660 seconds. I've just fast-forwarded this section here, simply so that we're not sitting around for 11 minutes waiting for it, and I will start this again at the 5-second mark. During this time, just make sure that you have that battery maintainer fitted, since this is the ignition completely on, which will drain a vehicle battery in that time. So very important to ensure that you have done that. So down to our last 5 seconds, and then we'll have it indicating it's performing the security linking procedure, as we see here. We'll then have a pop-up. We must complete these 3 here. So turn the ignition off. You then need to open the driver's door, close the driver's door. We then need to wait 60 seconds and then finally turn the ignition back on. Really important to perform those 3 steps. So we've sped up this section here. So we've already waited our 60 seconds and done all of those 3 steps. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the OK button now. That then indicates that we've then completed the procedure. The next part, there is actually a second option here. We've just cropped it in. We have the option configuration learn. So we go ahead and click go. This is performing the airbag to body control module linking. Only takes a few seconds to do, but we must get that done. Once it's done, it will show that it's okay. So that's all the learning that's required. We can then go to the DTCs. We can click clear, and then we can go over to read faults and see if there is any other current faults available. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.